Hi, Mary. Thanks for meeting me. I have a problem with my computer.
No problem, John. What's happening?
Well, I can't open my files. The screen says no internet connection.
Okay, let me check. Is your Wi-Fi on?
Wi-Fi? What's that?
It's the wireless internet. Look at the bottom right of your screen. Do you see a small icon?
Yes, I see it. It has a red X.
Perfect. Click on it. Then select our office network.
Office network? Which one is it?
It's called TechCorp_guest. Click on that.
Okay, I clicked it. Now it asks for a password.
Right. The password is on the paper near your phone. It says, Welcome123.
Oh, I see it. Let me type it. Done. Now it's connecting.
Great. Wait a few seconds. The red X should disappear.
Yes, it's working now. I can see my files.
Wonderful. Now you're connected to the internet.
Thank you so much, Mary. You saved my day.
You're welcome. If you need help again, just call me.